Step 1 is to record and take the temperature of the Long Island Sound. This allows us to understand the current environment that the organisms are living in. Step 2 is to collect materials such as sand and water from the Long Island Sound in order to build a habitat for the organisms we'll be collecting for the tank later. Step 3 is to take the materials collected, begin to create the habitat, making a suitable environment for the organisms to come. Step 4 is the delicate process of collecting and transporting the organisms to the biology lab. Due to the organisms being sea life, we must put them in oxygenated water during the transportation process. We use the seine net and the hand net to collect crabs, fish, and other small sea creatures. Step 5 is nothing more than the inclusion of the collected species into the completed fish tank. Be sure to keep a steady current and do not overpopulate the tank. Finally, step 6 is to test the pH along with the ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate levels in both the Long Island Sound and the completed fish tank. Once completed, feel free to congratulate yourself on a job well done. You have officially created your very own contained, stable ecosystem.